So I'm working on my library, and I got some art. Charles Birchfeld. There's a book on Ernest Hemingway. One called "You Can't Take a Balloon into the Metropolitan Museum." Blood of the Gods, and Blood of Kings. Balthus. And then the books I wanted to get on video to round out the military collection are part of my Schiffer series. We have Attack and Conquer, the 8th Fighter Group of World War II. We have Beware, the Thunderbolt, the 56th Fighter Group in World War II. We have Protect and Avenge, the 49th Fighter Group in World War II. We have Possum, Clover, and Hades, our 75th Fighter Group in World War II. I don't know, I think you might be able to hear my son playing guitar in the background. And we have the Ragged Irregulars of Basingbourn, the 91st Bombardment Group in World War II. And coming into the home stretch, we have Victory Roll, the American fighter pilot and aircraft in World War II. Wings of Honor, American airmen in World War I. And wrapping it all up for the Schiffer collection is Fighter Aces of the USA. Very exciting. And so endeth the largest war collection I've ever had.